Let's draw a lovely turtle waiting for adoption. We'll start off today with salmon pink, and they'll come up as the background. We're starting at the pattern of the shell of the turtle. Fill the content. One more layer. Black pencil for the eye. We're going to work the dark part of feet well. A little bit brighter on this side. We're going to grab a little bit of red earth, make the shadow of shelf darker. Now we can think about a little more texture here, so we'll grab a little bit umber on the knife. A tiny bit mixed blue and cream, not a big deal. The other layer for the background.